Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about slope-intercept form. Now you have to keep in mind that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now m stands for slope. We've talked about slope before. Now y-intercept, remember, y-intercept is where my line on the graph intersects or crosses the y-intercept, which we got to remember is the up and down one. So let's just show it really quick. So there's my graph. So you can see there, it crosses right there. That's my y-intercept, where it crosses my y-axis. Now, in the ones we're going to see, you will have an x and you will have a y. So that's slope-intercept form. Know how to plug it in and know how to identify it. So first we're just going to identify the different numbers. Now, that's what you're going to see when you see slope-intercept form, with a y and an x. Now, remember, this is a number in front of it. It is not 2x. The slope is 2. It's just the number in front of it. Now, y-intercept is important because you see here it's 2x minus 2. That minus 2 means it's a 2x minus 4. Since it's minus 4, you have to know that means negative 4. Keep that in mind. So that means in this equation here, y equals 2x minus 4. My slope is 2, and my y-intercept is negative 4. And that's going to help us graph it. Alright, next one. Alright, so in this one, we do have a fraction here. Slope can be written as a fraction. So you can see here, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. Slope, remember, it's whatever's in front of the x. So slope is negative 1 over 2. Remember, we have a plus 4. Plus means positive. So that means my y-intercept is simply 4. Which means this is where it crosses the y-axis at positive 4. We talked about slope being, this means I go down 1 and right 2 on the graph. Alright, so the last kind of example we're going to talk about in this video is if I give you slope and y-intercept and you have to create the equation, kind of going backwards. Before I give you the equation, you tell me the slope and y-intercept, but now I give you the slope and y-intercept, you have to give me the equation. Remember, it always starts off at y equals, and then our slope is right here, so we just plug it in. Negative 3x. Since this 2 is positive, you will have a plus sign. And then obviously 2's. There we go. So just keep those things in mind. Very simple. Just plugging in for m and b.